warm welcome from Neutral Solar Systems. Today we are going to show our neutral lithium ferrous phosphate battery pack, which is of 48 volt 100 Ah capacity Powerwall. Now let's look into the benefits of our neutral lithium ferrous phosphate battery pack. This battery pack is designed as a wall mountable power pack which is suitable for your convenience. This compactable power pack, which is of 48 volt 100 Ah, is suitable for all kind of solar inverters. Example, 3 kVA and 5 kVA off-grid inverters and 3 kVA and 5 kVA hybrid inverters. This single battery can be parallel to multiple number of batteries to get more Ah capacity. Also, for more details, please contact us at 7200604242. Thank you.